this video, we're going to discuss how to compute the derivative of a function using chain rule. So, chain rule. So, for functions f and g, the derivative of f of g of x is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of f of x. This means that you're going to first get the derivative of the outer function, then multiply it with the derivative of the inner function. So let's have an example. So find the derivative of 2x plus 5 raised to 3. Okay, so this is simply derivative of 2x plus 5 cube. So simply using the power rule, bring down 3, then times 2x plus 5, then subtract 1 from 3. 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then get the derivative of the inner function, which is 2x plus 5. And then simplify 3 times 2x plus 5 raised to 2. Then what's the derivative of 2x plus 5? Derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 5 is 0. So finally, the answer is 3 times 2, 6 times 2x plus 5 quantity squared. So this is the derivative of the given function. Another one, we have f of x equals the cube root of x squared minus x. So to use the chain rule, first transform these two fractional exponent, and that is quantity x squared minus x raised to 1/3. So using the chain rule, f prime of x, so the derivative of f, so bring down 1/3, x squared minus x, subtract 1 from 1/3, and that is negative 2/3, times the derivative of the function inside the parentheses. It's x squared minus x. So this becomes 1/3 times x squared minus x raised to negative 2/3. Then derivative of x squared is 2x minus derivative ng x is 1. Then simplify, we have now 2x minus 1, and since the exponent here is negative, we bring it in the denominator. So over 3 times x squared minus x raised to 2/3. Then we transform to radical. So that's 2x minus 1 divided by 3. So this is the same as cube root of x squared minus x raised to 2. So this is the derivative of the given function.